Hello everyone, my name is Myra Tantoy. Our topic for today is all about the biodiversity and the healthy society. Let's listen. Global biodiversity is a rapidly declining with vertebrate population dropping by 6% since the 1970s due to the human activities. Ang global diversity daw is kanang nag-decrease ang ilahang vertebrate. When we say vertebrate, isa animal na naa siya spinal cord. At isa animal na siya spinal cord like kanang basta nag-decrease daw siya o 60% subol atong 1970s. It's because then ang population of human is nagka-increase while the vertebrate is nagka-ubos. About reports from the Worldwide Fund for Nature and the Zoological Society of London show to decrease in the wildlife. According to the Worldwide Fund for Nature or WWF and the Zoological Society is kanang bawat year daw is nag-decrease siya og 2%. And the projection indicates 2% decline by 2020. In 2020 daw, ang mga vertebrate daw ng animals is nagka-increase nagka-decrease pa daw siya sa year of 2020. Human population growth and industrialization have destroyed natural habitats on land and oceans, leaving these species without place to survive. Ang human population daw is nagataas, pero ang atong biodiversity or economics is nagkaubuskod. Ito sa mga binihatan sa mga human sa environment. Gusto na siya lang habitats expert warned that Earth may be entering a 6-mass extinction with species occurring at the rate of 1,000 times faster than the rest. Mas kanang nagkagamay lang dito ang mga animals daw. This does disrupt ecosystem and creates harmful environment imbalance. Ang ato daw environment, nagkadagan ang awang ato daw ang mga biodiversity is nadako pag-daw because sa mga tao sa ato mga binatan. Next na. So, let's proceed to biodiversity and ecosystem. Biodiversity refers to the wide variety of life on Earth, including the diversity within the species and among the system. It provides essential goods and ecological services that support human life, such as food, drinking water, medicine, and raw materials. Ilog sa baba! Ang biodiversity daw kay nag-support daw siya sa ato ang water ng ato ang ginakaon, mga medicine, kanang mga water, gikan daw na siya sa biodiversity. So kung wala ang biodiversity, mga matay tayo because wala tayong nutrients na makuha. So ginatawag nila biotic and abiotic. Biotic daw is a living things, while abiotic is non-living things. Why biodiversity usually indicates a healthy and sustainable ecosystem capable of withstanding natural disturbance. For example, in overpopulation or golden snail in rice fields can predict for harvest. So kung makita na mo ka ng golden snail sa inyong kanang basakan, it means daw gamay ra ang inyong ma-harvest. While the large variety species suggest ecological balance. So human depend heavily on ecosystem for their daily needs. If biodiversity declines, ecosystem lose the ability to provide these needs, leading the direct impact of human health, livelihoods, income, and even social political stability. If ang ato ang diversity is madaot na siya, mag-impact daw siya sa atong panuyo, sa atong pagkaon, maapil siya sa political. For example, kanila yung mga kumamayan, kung madaot na siya, wala sila ka ng income na kuha. Even though sa ato ang human health. When we say human health, ang atong kalusugan, right? Atong kalusugan. If ang kanak daw, ang agricultural livelihoods, makakuha na kita o ka ng balay, makakalagot tayo pero atong diversity is daw. So next, changes in the biodiversity. Any change in the system can create wide-ranging effects and alter biodiversity can impact wildlife, marine life, and human disturb natural environments such as clearing forests to both host plants, animals, and insects. This creates or cloud destructive the entire ecosystem. This can damage food chain and lead to significant change in the biodiversity. Ang biodiversity daw is mag-change siya if wala na yung mga animals, wala na yung mga forest, wala na yung environment. For example, if magbagyo, isa magubong sa bato, di ba ang forest? So wala na siya. O ang mga animals is kaya pasobraan na kukuha, for example, sa isda. O wala na ma-overfishing ta, gusto naman kung paano sunod yung mahurot na nga to ang mga isda. Ana, proceed. Proceed. Yeah. The threats to biodiversity. There are genetic diversity that were identified by the United Nations Environment Program. These are the following: habitat loss. Human land destroy natural environment and the species that rely on them. Kung ang o ang ma-destroy na daw ang ato ang kalikasan, it means daw, tama? Wala ko. Wala pa. Ano ka dala? Oo. Habitat loss is kanang